Your man is not good, your man is this, your man is that, your man is this. Who does that? The father of your children, for that matter. The father of your baby. Please. Men, if the woman, you don't love him anymore, is no longer your wife, you don't supposed to be disrespecting that woman. Don't forget both of you share something, both of you have children together. Even though you don't have children together, you don't share anything. At least you have to respect the man because both of you married. Huh? Commitment is better for worst. You can't expect every marriage to be perfect. You have to make it right. Not by coming out disrespecting your husband or by coming out disrespecting your wife when both of you have shared something. Huh? Where is the love? Where is the unity? Huh? Both of you share something together. You are degrading the woman for what? Then you are also degrading yourself. You are degrading the children. Please, all couples, all men and women, all married men, married women, or every mothers, I'm begging every one of you, you people should be controlling the way you talk. Because these words that come out from your mouth can save you, can destroy you. Huh? When you know both of you have children, huh? Even both of you does not have children, you're not supposed to be commonizing your wife or your husband, to be disrespecting your wife or your husband. Where is the love? Huh? Marriage is based on commitment. Better for worst. Even though the marriage does not end well, it's okay. It's not the first. It's not going to be the last. Life goes on. But coming out, disrespecting your wife, disrespecting your husband, that is not cool at all. Huh? More you are doing this, you are disrespecting the children also. You are disrespecting your children. People will be looking at that man just the way you say he or she is. People will be looking the same way with the children. I don't like when some parents, the way they talk, they've forgotten that every word you say out of your mouth, that identify who you really are as a good woman or as a bad man. Huh? Please, I beg every one of you, wala wo word of enu zomo. Ero mo vision wala o. Huh? Egene mini na ari enu wa mini wana warok pa ma ho eva ma ho. Oh me magi defio be noje. O hine nu wana la dia onai tona when wana ege me ma defo eme no nya na huh? O mo river wa bien egbe. Ija onyi mama ye wo pon na tayo ven we no kwon na wa dweki na wa we na gbon ya ge we omo nu we bie wa we na gbon ya go money he o pia na o we no wa dweki na pa wa we na agbon ya ge we pa wa we na gbon ya go mo nu we bie he pa ti awe gbe ka ya bon yen nedo e ke una mo ko ni gbeto ba una mo egbe we gboto pa e ke una mo o pia ni gbeto ba una mo egbe we gboto ista ha ami o me no phone. Oga gwe total you ma gwe total you re mi upa. Huh? Odoga kume o me gi seti so e na me bo wa ye do e na kemi ne no wodo ma gwa ekun a. Na. E bo we soja come. Emi opa me wa ka we e ma no gele mo nyime o mo ye lo hin ma we ne dede mo nyime. O madam sister o unyi ma gbona ki no wa ladan wa te atala to yoda fun egbe odo no nu we bie na o da ri ka ri yen gi kun na kemi o ma no wi yen gi kun a mi ege na ya mu egbe nu na mi o ma mo se ma o wi yen gi kun zo obo mi o ma pa na de na mu egbe na mi o ma mo se ma eni no ma je no pa o je no pa enu la dan wa ta we ri odo weje e ba nu we bie yi sta e ba nu we bie ji epa owo kan we no bienu we wa pa mi sikanya na sister oko opianu we bienu wa pa mi sikanya na iya unyi ne sinakin abi unyi me dan wa ga gbe ye gbe na ma ene ma de favu ne na unyi ne dan unyi ne fieleke ne seleke na ya wa hin ha go doma we okwa na we mo gwi yen gi kun wewo udo mo anari oja na suse uzi egberu do money osalobo akwa wa yuki dollar son egba eba okwa ni nian awo ya tenota ogwi yan ri okwu oweregbe ana okawe ya ladia na ya tala toto mebe no jie ana ha wizigbe o emi ya wa gbona izi egbe o come kwala wo kwa ga mo gboto edena kwen unyi me danu wa anyi na ihweso akwegi wo wa ya ka wa we no mo ya ri yo we yo to wa we no mo ya ri a o yo to wa we ne ma ya go mo nu we bie ekenu na mo gba ni gboto sister wa na mo we gboto wa na mo gboto ekenu na mo ko ni gboto brother epa even when I'm with we gboto eba na mo money gboto me no go vi wa princess oba na me ona ibute ni dori ene dadoge unyi mesi o ma se no wala awowo e mo yo mari oja wowo do yo ma suse ani o me no fo na yeye no ma tore ladian o buse o de magwe la o lai weregbe ami o ma pa na amu egbe e de no amu egbe na ami o ma mose ma o mo sto mi o ma mose na ma o wi yen ki kun wewo de no gwe na ipa mi sikanya ne no pia e go na ri eni wo nu eva ma ho nu ha ma ho o wi yen ki kun wa okin obe iya